Hello guys. So, as we know, na-trade na si Jalen Green, traded sa Suns. So, I just want to share my personal collection kay Jalen Green. Mga pucho lang naman. So, ito, incoming class. Panini. Ito is pre-order to eh. Bago siya. Panini drop. Yan, Jalen Green. RC. Yan yung likod. Meron 1 out of 1,891. Numbered from Panini yan. So, next is the rookies. Yan, the rookies. Jalen Green, Don Russ. Yan, RC. RC card. Another pucho is rated rookie. Optic base rated rookie. So, next, Emergent. Yan, Emergent, Prism, Jalen Green. Yan. Another is National Pride Music. Base. Yan. Believe, rookie rin to. Rookie year. Next is, ito, yung natin to isa. Music ulit. Yan, rookie card, Jalen Green. Music. Base again. Another base, select RC. Jalen Green. And ito is score. Score RC. Jalen Green. Rookie card, number 129. Yan. Next, Absolute Memorabilia. Yan. Rookie card RC. Yan. 2021 draft class. From Contenders. Yan. Rookie. Likod. Jalen Green. Next is King of Cards. King of Cards. Yan. Saya Illusions. Ayun. RC. Ito ay Explosion. RC. NBA Hoops. Yan. Steel Explosion. RC. Ba? Ganda. Next is ano to? Yan. NBA Hoops. Silver. Yan, rookie card. Ito is first step ng Court Kings. First step. Sapatos ni Jalen Green yan. Yan, Jalen Green shoes. Yan. And sa likod, yan, first steps. Number 2. Rookie year. Yes, ito is not rookie. Swagger. Swagger ng musik. Mosaic Swagger, not rookie card. So another is Marble, net marbles, not rookie card. Don Russ, Panini Don Russ, net marbles. Jalen Green. Another is Origin. Yan. Jalen Green. Origins. Hindi siya not rookie card. Ito, lip up, die cut. O, yun. Hindi siya rookie card. Sophomore. Ayan. Jalen Green. Next is Recon. Rookie. Jalen Green. Bounce back sa Phoenix. Come on. Houston Rockets. Recon. Another is Supernova. Yan. Yeah, Supernova. Revolution din to eh. Okay. It's not rookie yata. Yan. Ito, Court Kings level 1 rookie card. Yan guys. Yan. Jalen Green. Rookie. Court Kings level 1. So, next, meron tayong sweaters patch. Sweater patch. Ayan. But unfortunately, alam ko not associated to eh. Yan. Next, meron tayong patch ulit. Rookie expression. Yan, RC. Rookie expression. Jalen Green. Yan. Ganda. Another patch. National Treasure. Numbered. Ayan. Over 99. National Treasure. Jalen Green. So, ito. Jalen Green. Next, yan. Straight par. Straight par. Not a rookie card. Pero ganda. Look at that. Straight par. Mosaic. Ganda. Next, ito, rookie card. Photogenic. So, ito ay silver. So, kasi silver siya. Silver. Photogenic. Jalen Green. May 75, anniversary ng NBA. 75th. Jalen Green. So, yun. RC. Siyempre, base prism. Yan, base prism card. Another one is base and a silver. Silver prism. Jalen Green. Silver prism. At meron tayong konting base na graded. PSA 9. So, ayan. Hoops. Rated rookie pala to. Donruss. Rated rookie. PSA 9. Another Donruss rated rookie. PSA 9 base. At meron tayong rated rookie na optic. Donruss pa rin. Donruss optic. Yan. And last, yan. Ice Prism. PSA 9. Jalen Green. So, that's it. Yan yung sinare ko lang yung collection ko. Sana makabawi si Jalen Green. At sabi niya, laro daw siya sa international kapag naging all-star siya. Okay? Thanks.